Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to cast a rod. Get it?
Yeah, because you tossed it way out there before. Okay.
Oh, that went far. Mom, look how far mine is. That's how I cast the fishing rod.